Boston's tech sector is growing fast, and the demand for skilled IT professionals is on the rise. Information security analyst roles alone are projected to grow by 32% from 2022 to 2032. Christopher Mello, CTO at APC Integrated, says, Boston's depth of educational resources means you can tailor your learning path to match the market's evolving needs, if you know where to look. That means whether you're starting out or reskilling, a targeted approach to education is critical. There are multiple paths to build your IT career here. Degree programs offer deep technical foundations and strong alumni networks, while boot camps give you practical skills quickly, often in just 12 weeks. Professional certificates focus on specific competencies and can be stacked to advance your resume. Apprenticeships combine hands-on work with learning, letting you earn while you train. Workforce training programs, often funded or sponsored, provide accessible ways to upskill. Boston's universities and colleges like MIT, Harvard, and Northeastern provide world-class education and co-op experiences. Colleges such as Wentworth and UMass Boston offer ABET-accredited programs with employer connections. Boot camps like General Assembly and Launch Academy deliver rapid skill acquisition with strong career outcomes. And programs like Year Up Boston focus on connecting underrepresented talent to internships and high placement rates. Funding options are diverse too. Scholarships, employer tuition benefits, workforce grants, the GI Bill, and Mass Reconnect all reduce financial barriers. When choosing a program, focus on employer outcomes, curriculum alignment, alumni networks, and flexible formats. A well-chosen path ensures your IT career in Boston is practical, fast, and future-ready. You can read the full article on our website and add this to your playlist to keep the conversation going.